Once you've downloaded and installed the special build of the Solstice dashboard you got by filling out the form on this page, open it up. It will look just like the old dashboard. You'll still see any pods you've already imported, and now there's a new tab. Click to the Kepler tab. You'll see how many Solstice Kepler-enabled displays are currently imported into your dashboard. I just have the one pod, so you might have many more, but if you don't see any, make sure the pods you want to monitor with Kepler have been upgraded to version 3.2.1 or later and have active maintenance. Dashboard. Click Connect. If you had more than one eligible pod, you'd be able to select some or all of your deployment here for import into Kepler. Click Next. This screen will show you one of two things. If no one in your organization has made a Kepler account and pulled in any pods managed by your dashboard, you'll see this screen. If you attempt to import one or more pods that are already associated with a Kepler account, or enter an email address that already has a Kepler account, you'll be prompted to enter the password provided to you by your account administrator. If you're entering new territory, you will be asked to create a password. On the next screen, you'll be able to add any other people in your organization that will need accounts with Kepler. Remember that at the start of this beta program, each user will have admin permissions and be able to see all imported pods. And you're done. Click anywhere to get rid of the notification box. If you had had more eligible pods you'd chosen not to import yet, you'd see that here. Since we've imported the only pod I had in my dashboard, the only option available is to go to my new cloud-based Kepler account. That'll open a new tab in your default browser. Log in with the email address and password you just created in the dashboard, or the same one you were provided by your account administrator. On this home screen, you'll see exactly what you just imported via the dashboard. Take some time to explore all the options available to you as a beta user of Solstice Kepler and enjoy all these new meeting insights.